Hey, good morning, guys. Today we have High Roller Technologies, which surged 83% pre market on a crypto.com prediction market deal. We turned long mode on, and the algo took starter positions on the 9 EMA dips. The algo adds on the break of the 5-minute candle, but price fails to make fresh highs and it starts chopping. This is completely normal after a big pre market move. Sellers step in at resistance and buyers try to push it higher. The algorithm stays patient though and manages the position without forcing anything. No manual intervention, no second guessing, just waiting patiently for the real move to develop. We get a quick pump which pushes price over $10 but gets sold into immediately. The algo recognizes this failed move and it de-risks above break even to protect our position. Volume starts to taper off here and price chops around 925 for a while. Thin conditions, no real direction. Most traders would get shaken out or overtrade right here, but the algorithm holds its position and patiently waits for a real signal. Now volume surges back in and price runs for new highs. The algo adds above $10, $10.50, and $10.75, scaling all the way to 4,200 shares with a new cost basis of $10.71, targeting $11.18. Our max profit target zone is hit, and the algo closes the full position for over 1,600 in profit in about 55 minutes of automated trading. Win or lose, I post every trade. Link below to see how the software works. Subscribe for daily recaps, and I'll see you on the next one.